There is a growing body of scientific research that supports the effectiveness of oats in treating and preventing ED. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who consumed a diet rich in whole grains, including oats, had a lower risk of developing ED than those who consumed a diet high in processed foods. Other studies have explored the role of oat extract in improving sexual function, with promising results. One possible explanation for oats' effectiveness in treating ED is their high content of avenanthramides, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. This is important because ED is often caused by poor blood flow to the penis, which can be exacerbated by inflammation in the blood vessels. In addition to their potential benefits for sexual health, oats are also a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are important for overall health. Eating a diet that includes plenty of whole grains like oats has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So, incorporating oats into your diet may have benefits beyond just improving your sexual function. Choosing the right type of oats to boost your sexual health. If you're looking to incorporate oats into your diet to help with ED, it's important to choose the right type of oats. While all oats, including rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats, are nutritious and can provide health benefits, steel-cut and rolled oats are typically considered the healthiest choices. These types of oats are less processed than instant oats, and still contain the bran and germ of the grain, which provide additional fiber and nutrients. Steel-cut and rolled oats also have a lower glycemic index than instant oats, which means they are digested more slowly and can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is important for overall health, as well as sexual health, as high blood sugar levels can contribute to ED. Additionally, when choosing oats, it's important to look for organic options. Conventionally grown oats are often sprayed with pesticides, which can have negative effects on sexual health and overall health. Organic oats are grown without the use of harmful chemicals and are a safer and healthier option. Incorporating oats into your diet for optimal results. The good news is that incorporating oats into your diet is relatively easy to do. You can start by swapping your usual breakfast cereal for a bowl of oatmeal, or adding oats to smoothies, baked goods, or other recipes. Rolled or steel-cut oats can also be used as a base for savory dishes like risotto or as a substitute for breadcrumbs in meatloaf or meatballs. Additionally, oats can be used as a healthy and filling snack. You can make your own granola bars or energy bites using oats, nuts, and dried fruit. Oats can also be used as a topping for yogurt or mixed with milk and fruit for a delicious overnight oats recipe. With so many versatile options, incorporating oats into your diet can provide numerous health benefits and add variety to your meals and snacks. If you found this information useful, please give a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching.